Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all well and looking forward to learning how to insert collars. We will start off by measuring our necklines. Place your ruler along the back neckline and mark the measurements as follows. This is the front neckline. We will measure the front neckline in the same way as we did for the back neckline. Fold your paper in half before proceeding with drafting the collar. Use the fold line to square before proceeding with the drafting of the bottom of the collar. Mark the back and front neck measurement on the line you just drew. Square up for the collar height. I made my height about 7 centimeters. Now we can finish off the top collar. The dotted line I'm drawing is just showing a separation between the front and back neck measurement. For the collar point, measure about 3 to 4 centimeters, and from that point go up 1 centimeter. At the bottom of the collar, go up 1 centimeter, and from this measurement join to the collar point. Finish off the collar by curving from the 1 centimeter marks. Add your seam allowance and cut out the collar pattern. As you can see, your collar pattern is now complete. To finish off your garment, we need to have a facing. We will now start off by tracing the back facing. Outline the markings from the tracing wheel. Add 1 centimeter seam allowance. And cut out the back facing pattern. On your pattern, indicate where the shoulder and center back is. This will ensure that you pin the front and back facing correctly. Trace the front facing. I like to use the whole front panel for a nice broad facing. Outline the markings from the tracing wheel. add 1 centimeter seam allowance. After you've cut out your front facing, close the shoulder dart. Now we are ready to add violin to the front and back facing and the collar. I cut my violin and fabric more or less the size of the facing and collar before ironing. Now that I've ironed my violin onto the fabric, I am now ready to cut the facing and collar. Fold the fabric in half and cut each piece according to the pattern. Place the collar together, right sides facing. Pin the sides and the top of the collar. Pin the front and back facing together at the shoulders. See the illustration on how to pin. Sew the collar along the pinned area. Sew the front and back facing together at the shoulders. Iron the shoulder seams open. This helps to create an open seam. Nip the corners of the collar to eliminate bulk in the corners. Iron the collar seam open. Now you can turn the collar over, right sides facing up, and iron the collar flat. Find the center of the collar facing and the back neck of the garment. Now you can pin the 3 points together. Pin the front facing down the front of the jacket. Sew the front facing and front jacket 1 centimeter along the pinned area. Continue pinning the collar, facing and garment together, starting off from the center and moving towards the side. Sew all the layers together along the pinned area. Your collar is now complete. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will benefit you and take you a step closer to becoming an amazing fashion designer. Till next time, take care and happy designing!